Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by switching the Steam Deck into desktop mode so you can install traditional Linux apps. Open Discover, enable Flatpak if needed, and run system updates to avoid dependency conflicts. Next, install the desktop Steam client and sign into your account, then download Wallpaper Engine from your library. This sequence ensures the needed environment and dependencies are present. Once done, you'll be ready to configure Wine or Proton if the native package requires it. Once Wallpaper Engine is installed, configure how it runs. Select a Proton version or set up Wine Proton GE to handle Windows builds, because compatibility makes the app stable. Open Wallpaper Engine settings and adjust compositor options to prevent tearing and match the deck's refresh rate. This avoids stutter. Point the app at your wallpaper directory and confirm file permissions so it can read media. Make sure performance mode and GPU profile are set appropriately to balance visuals and battery life. Now launch a lightweight wallpaper to validate the setup and watch system load to confirm it's acceptable. Adjust Wallpaper Engine's performance presets and disable intensive effects while on battery to preserve runtime. Configure Auto Start if you want wallpapers to persist across reboots. If something breaks, examine the app log in desktop mode and swap Proton or Wine builds. This often resolves crashes or rendering issues. And if you continue to see problems, revert settings and retry one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.